VNCI MDI2 was used to program the General Motors Global B Platform RM 2020 Corvette K56 gateway module. First, connect the VNCI MDI2 device to the computer and the gateway module. Then open the Global DPS offline programming software. Select Platform RMB in the model platform architecture. Because we're going to do the programming, and this gateway belongs to the Global B platform architecture, read the gateway module vehicle information. Gateway module, VIN number, and other information has been read. Click OK. Let's do the gateway module programming now. Select Programming File. Perform programming operation. Click Yes. The whole process took about 6 minutes. VNCI MDI2 is the one of the world that can really achieve the same effect as the original MDI2. The price is no more than $220 US. The programming process takes a little long. So let's fast forward. While waiting for the programming process to idle, let me introduce the VNCI MDI2 General Motors Diagnostic Interface. VNCI MDI2 advantages and characteristics. 1. 100% support CAN FD communication. 100% support DoIP communication. 2. Support TLC online software, synchronization compatible with the latest MDI2 driver. 3. Simulate the original GM MDI2 hardware device without worrying about hardware verification. 4. Free registration of GDS, DPS, Tech2Win software. 5. Unlimited computer can be installed to any computer. 6. Support USB and Wi-Fi direct connection and base station connection. 7. Faster and safer. 8. Support all GMC, Chevrolet, Buick, Cadillac, and Opel models from 1996 to present. 9. Support GM Global A platform models and Global B platform models. 10. Support pass-through programming program SPS, compatible with all functions of MDI generation. The programming operation has been completed and the programming is successful. The whole process took about 7 minutes. We reread the gateway module information. Gateway VIN number, programming time, and other information has been read. The whole programming process is successful. That's all for this presentation. Thanks for watching.